Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So on the gold market, it's really interesting situation from the technical point of view. And it's very, well, maybe really thrilling for our experience. Because in general, performance that we see here stands to the upside, but has become weaker and weaker. And here, I would suggest, could we get some cross-market divergence with the euro currency, for example? Because as we discussed today, situation on the euro, we watching for some upward continuation approximately to the 106.33 target, but it stands relatively close to the current market performance. And gold market, as you can see, it stands a bit lower compared to in relation to the top, because the initial drop here was stronger. And I would say, could it happen that while the euro currency will complete the target above the top, based on some pattern that we have on the euro currency, while the gold market will not show any washing rings of this previous top, will finish upward action somewhere here, and then together with the euro currency in relation to the dollar starts dropping lower. Currently, it seems that this scenario is also possible. And actually, due to another reason, we do not expect the significant upward action in euro currency. So if we would say that euro currency could keep going significantly higher, suggesting some extended dollar weakness, that might be absolutely different story. But in current circumstances, everything should be decided in the near term, in the nearest 1-2 sessions maybe. My thought is that Brent bottom starting point somewhere near, so maybe it's already has started with this drop, and we need to get just final confirmation on the lower time frames. So external on the higher time frame analysis shows that all conditions are met currently. Particularly on the euro currency, it stands at very strong resistance near weekly overbought area, so it's almost zero chances that it could show any significant extended action, and that Brent bottom could start at some other point. With a very high degree of probability, Brent bottom should start somewhere very soon. And of course, if it will start on the euro, it will start on any other markets as well. That's why on the gold market, it really could happen that this action will not challenge this top. On the 4-hour time frame chart, let's take a look. Yes, it ratios here very accurate, as we discussed this many times already. A 3-drive pattern is possible. Market turns up precisely on the point that was necessary to match the extensions and to get the final destination point for the 3-drive. But this overall action is very slow and becoming weaker. And chances that market will keep going higher and complete this in the current circumstances is melting day by day. So market would show a bit stronger, have to show a bit stronger action to stay on the course of this 3-drive pattern. But this performance now, well, it's really put the shadow on the perspective of this pattern. Besides, if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, you could see what really has happened yesterday. Market has completed XOP, and we said that this should be a final destination point for the bearish scenario. If market will break it, it's more probable that we could get higher and will be some acceleration. So that's why we said that we should not take short position by far and watch what will happen around it. But at the same time, right there with these 3 tops, market has formed perfect 3-drive sell pattern. Yes, this pattern is too small for our analysis. It stands on hourly, but actually it will look better even on the lower time frame. But this is the fact that this action might be some kind of the, well, in excess of the XOP, some kind of the canyon action on the gold market and completion of the pattern that was forming at this point. Now when the market has completed free drive, it could become the pattern that will trigger downward action here, and it could make existence of the bearish context that exists right there still will be valid. This market could just continue downward action and erasing of the free drive pattern. This is a very tricky moment, guys, here on the gold market. And from the practical point of view, it's very interesting to see and watch what will happen, what to do with this. As usual, here theoretically it is possible to consider taking the short position, but as usual, as I said, this early position taking is always carry more risk, but it provides better entry point. Because if market collapse right from here, it will be best entry based on this free drive minus free drive pattern. At the same time, you will have to pass through the risk of the data releases, inflation data, and Fed meeting. It's not suitable to everybody. So, and that's why you could decide by yourself what is better for your personality as a trader. I am, as you know, more conservative, and I prefer to get more clarity. Maybe it's better to miss the chance, but to save the capital, as the Judd Napoli tells. This is my approach as well. But if you'll try to take this pattern in consideration, it also will not be a mistake, because it seems that on the euro currency it should be some final spike. Gold market could maybe it will not show it at all, or it will be much smaller. So and then this pattern still could work if you still prefer to wait. So let's wait and see what will happen on the PPI numbers, and we'll wait until the Wednesday when we'll get the Fed meeting.